Welcome to Useful Tips. Here I will show you first 11 things to do on your Google Pixel 8 Pro device. First method, change lock screen clock style. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Tap on a lock screen at the top right. Here you can see clock style. Swipe right or left to see the clock style different. Select the clock style you want to set. Here we select this. Now tap on a clock color and size. Tap on it. Here you can choose clock color. Select the clock color you want to set. Here we say select this clock color. Tap on a size. In clock color you can increase or decrease the color sensitivity also. Tap on a size. Here you can choose dynamic or a small. You can see how it looks on lock screen. Here we select dynamic. Now go back and lock your phone. You can see the clock style on the lock screen. Second, change the wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Here you can see home screen and lock screen option. You can quickly change from the default wallpaper set on home screen and lock screen also. You want to set on a device. To set a custom wallpaper, tap on a more wallpapers. Now here you can create AI wallpaper on your Pixel 8 Pro device. Emoji wallpaper. To choose a custom wallpaper, tap on a My Photo and select the photo from your phone or choose a default category. Here we select the default phone category. Tap any category. Select any photo. Here you can see how it looks on lock screen and home screen on your device. After that, select the wallpaper you want to set. Make sure internet is working on your device. Now you can see how it looks and lock screen, home screen. Tap on a set wallpaper at the top right. Here you can choose home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Tap on a home and lock screen. Now go to home screen and lock your phone to see the wallpaper you set. In third, change the power button function. When you long press the power button, you can see the power menu. If you want to launch the Google Assistant, go to settings, scroll down up to system, tap on a system, tap on a gestures. At the bottom you can see press and hold power button option, tap on it. Now here you can choose from digital assistant or Google menu. Now choose digital assistant. Now long press the power button and you can see launch the Google Assistant on your device. So choose you want to prefer. In fourth, use back tap gesture. Again go to settings, go back up to system settings, scroll down, tap on a gestures. Here you can see quick tap to start action option, tap on it. Make sure toggle on it. Using quick tap gesture, you can capture a screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or push media, see recent apps, show notification, enable flashlight, or quickly access any app. To access app, choose open app, tap on the setting gear icon, select app. Here we select calculator. Now go back and double tap on the back of your Pixel device to quickly access that app on your device. Now you can see access calculator. So it's quite useful feature. In fifth, now playing. To use it, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a sound and vibration. Again scroll, tap on a now playing. Make sure toggle on identify song playing nearby. It will helpful to find the identifying the song nearby play on your device or other device. So make sure toggle on it. You can also enable lock screen button on a lock screen. So whenever play song nearby you. You can see the icon on your device. Also see now playing history on your device. 6. One-handed mode. Using one-handed mode, you can quickly access your device with one hand. To access it, go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a gestures. Here you can see one-handed mode option, tap on it. Make sure toggle on use one-handed mode. Here you can see two options, full screen into reach or show notification option. Also toggle on one-handed mode shortcut. Tap on a got it. Now you can see the one-handed mode shortcut button. Tap on it to quickly access your phone with one-handed. Now you can access your Pixel 8 Pro using one hand. To exit one-handed, tap on the blank space. Tap on any black space. 7. Create AI wallpaper. Tap and hold the black space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Tap on a mall wallpapers. Here you can see AI wallpaper. Tap on it. Now you can see different available theme. Select the theme you want to create AI wallpaper. Here we select imaginary. Tap on inspire me button to automatically create AI wallpaper. Now wait until now we can see wouldn't load wallpaper. Make sure internet is connected on your device. Tap on a try again after enable internet. Now it will automatically create a wallpaper for your. Now you can see create the wallpaper by AI. You can also edit. Tap on a dotted icon. Select the option. Here we select the lighthouse. Tap on again. Select the option. Now tap on a create wallpaper button at the bottom. Now it will automatically create a wallpaper you customize like this. So quite amazing feature to create AI wallpaper. To set, tap on the top right corner. Here you can see how it looks on home screen and lock screen. Tap on a set wallpaper at the top right. Choose from home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Here we select lock screen option. Now go to home screen. Eighth method, magic editor. You can use Google Pixel's magic editor feature to move the object or remove the unwanted object from photos. Open Google Photo and tap any photo you want to use magic editor. Now make sure these photos are backup to use it as a magic editor. Tap on edit icon at the bottom. At the bottom right, bottom left, you can see the magic editor option. Tap on it. Now tap circle or brush to select the option you want to remove. Now tap and hold to select area to move or resize. Now tap and hold. Now you can see you can move it like this. Drag to move or pinch to resize it like this. Tap on the arrow icon. Now it will generating the new wallpaper. Now wait until generating the wallpaper. Now swipe the screen right. You can see the different created by use magic editor. Tap the bottom right corner icon. Tap on a save copy to save this image to your device or cancel to cancel it. In ninth, screen protector mode. Go to settings. Tap on a display. Scroll down at the bottom. Here you can see screen protector mode. Enable it. It will helpful to increase the touch sensitivity and improve touch when using a screen protector on your Pixel 8 Pro device. In that method, you can use battery share. Go to settings. Scroll down. Tap on a battery. Tap on a battery share. Make sure toggle on it. When you enable battery share, it will helpful to charge other device by placing them on the back of your Google Pixel device. You can also set the time to stop sharing battery where your Pixel phone reach 15%, 20%, 10%. Also enable disable turn on automatically option. So quite useful feature to charge other device using your Pixel phone. 11. Extreme battery saver mode. Go to settings, tap on a battery, tap on a battery saver. Now toggle on use battery saver option. Here you can see standard battery saver or extreme battery saver option. It will helpful to improve battery life of your device. Tap on a setting gear icon. It will push the non-essential apps on your Pixel device. Here you can see list of essential apps. To add the app to essential, tap on a plus icon. Here we select the plus icon. Now you can see add this app to essential apps. It will app still run in your background. That will helpful to battery last longer on your device. This feature is extremely useful to push the non-essential apps and its notification. That will helpful to improve battery life. You can also set schedule and reminder. Turn on based on a battery level. Select the battery level when battery fall. Also toggle off the turn off at 90%. Automatically turn on the battery saver. So quite useful feature extreme battery saver to increase the battery life of your Pixel device. Let's see some bonus tips. In first bonus tips, you can use accessibility menu. Go to settings, scroll down, tap until accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Again scroll, tap on accessibility menu. Now toggle on the accessibility shortcut. Tap on allow. Now you can see the accessibility icon. Tap on it. Now you can quickly show the power menu on your device. Volume up, volume down button. See the recent apps. Brightness, lock screen, lock your phone quickly. Swipe screen. Here you can see quick settings, notification. Also take a screenshot. So it's quite useful accessibility menu to quickly access several functions from the home screen. Bonus tip 2. Go to settings, scroll, tap on a sound and vibration. Again scroll down until you can see clear calling. Tap on it. Make sure toggle on use clear calling. It will helpful to reduce the background noise during phone calls on your Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro device. Bonus tip 3. Remove the animation to quickly access your device. Go to settings, scroll down up to accessibility, tap on a color and motion. Here you can see remove animation option. Toggle on it. It will reduce movement on the screen so you can quickly access the your device function. So quite useful. That's it. If you like it, share it.